So I'm just wanting to do a video to show you how to disconnect the starter motor on a Mk1 TT. First step, I've already taken mine out, so probably a little bit too far ahead. First step is to remove the battery, then take out the plastic battery tray. There's 4 Torx bolts on there, you can see those. Then you'll have access to your starter motor. There's a small plastic bracket which keeps all of these in place, all your cables. That's held on to the starter motor by a 13mm nut, sorry. So disconnect that at the underside. I've found it easier to pull all of these out first, and it gives you a little bit more access. Same on the underside, you have this bracket here, which is another 13mm nut. So remove that 13mm nut. And also I found it easier to jack the car up. It's not on the sills. I've got one of those like the hockey puck, so it sits on the sill. So you can buy them off eBay, just a couple of quid. Then once you've got that off, you've got access to your starter motor bolts. It's an 18mm socket you'll need to take those 2 bolts off. Once you've got those 2 bolts off, you can see they're on long bolts, you can remove those, and then your starter motor just comes straight off. You can see the problem that I've had with mine, bad earth or zero earth, because that banding is totally gone. So you can order these second hand from eBay anywhere from £20 upwards. Reconditioned ones sort of £60–70, and then brand new ones you can pay sort of £170 for them. Yeah, and taking it out, just putting it back's going to be just exactly the same in reverse. It was a little bit fiddly to get to on this bottom one. I just put a couple of extension bits on my socket, and I managed to get it from access under here. So it's a bit fiddly, but you can get to it. So good luck.